Hi Aries, this is your behind the scenes reading for March 2021. Universal energies, show me what I need to see for the star sign of Aries for March 2021. Universal energies, show me what I need to see for the star sign of Aries for March 2021. Universal energies, show me what I need to see for the star sign of Aries for March 2021. Show me. You guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. If this does not resonate with you, check your moon, rising, and Venus sign videos. I do not read reversals. So, Aries. Aries, these are your cards, honey. So, Aries, you have the Hierophant. Could be dealing with a Taurus, but the Hierophant speaks to the leader of a religious organization, the leader of a metaphysical organization. This is a clergyman, a pastor, a preacher, a teacher, a coach, a mentor, a counselor, someone of wise counsel. This is the institution of higher learning. This is a corporate institution. This is the marriage card. Could be dealing with a Taurus, but listen, you guys may be in a commitment. Yes, this can be about commitment. This can be about forgiveness. You guys may be a part of an institution, organization, governmental agency together. You know, this can be about religious differences or values here. Clarify the Hierophant for Aries. Clarify the Hierophant for Aries. Clarify the Hierophant for Aries. It is clarified with the Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is truth. This is clarity. This is communication. Now, this could be the sword of decision, the sword of victory, but this could also be the sword that one wields to sever a relationship. So, Aries, listen, you know, very well could be making a decision here concerning maybe commitment, forgiveness here, okay? Could also be some type of decision coming down or some type of communication or truth about an institution, organization, governmental agency. Aries, you have the Knight of Wands. Aries, Leo, or Sag. This is someone rushing into you, or you're rushing into someone to start a passionate, creative new endeavor. Now, someone could be rushing in, going off, going ham passionately, rushing in with the spark of a new idea, rushing in with some type of exciting, passionate communication, exciting, passionate action. But this wand is symbolic of the male phallic and using the male phallic to be intimate. This is flighty energy, in and out energy, player energy. So Aries, listen, you could be being rushed into something, okay? And maybe you're having to make a decision. Aries, it could have been a rushing in, going off, going ham, passionately with a heated discussion or argument. Maybe someone is wanting forgiveness for this communication here, okay? Or some type of truth and clarity that came out here. Aries, someone could have been out being a player. Clarify the Knight of Wands for Aries. Clarify the Knight of Wands for Aries. Clarify the Knight of Wands for Aries. It is clarified with the Four of Wands, really. Aries, Leo, or Sag. This is the structure, the foundation of a solid, stable, committed relationship. This is leveling up the relationship. This is the marriage ceremony card. Now, we could be speaking of a celebration, a birthday party, anniversary party, baby shower, the home. But this is the marriage ceremony card. So, Aries, listen. You know, you guys may already have been in a commitment and it was a rushing in, going off, going ham passionately with a heated discussion or argument here, communication. Or Aries, someone Oh, really? So you could have came into some truth and clarity about someone being a player. Okay, this truth and clarity could have came out someone being a player in you guys' commitment, but it could also be someone trying to rush into commitment, Aries. Aries, you have the Ace of Wands. Aries, Leo, or Sag. This is a brand new, passionate, creative endeavor. Now, this can be the spark of a new idea. This can be some type of exciting, passionate communication, exciting, passionate action. But this wand is symbolic of the male phallic and using the male phallic to be intimate. So, brand new, passionate beginnings. So Aries, listen, this can be a spark of a new idea. This can be you initiating something. This can be passionate communication here, or someone using this wand to be intimate. Clarify the Ace of Wands for Aries. Clarify the Ace of Wands for Aries. Clarify the Ace of Wands for Aries. It is clarified with the Four of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is you holding back, holding off, keeping something close to your chest. Now, this is also a card of a miser, a penny pincher, someone who's holding back their coins, saving their money, being stingy, someone who's closed off, blocked off, not opening up. So Aries, you can tell me that you're keeping something close to your chest about you initiating something, you know, an idea, or you use this male phallic to be intimate, possibly being a player in you guys' already commitment, and this truth is out. But Aries, listen, you may be holding back from going into some type of commitment with this person. It's here, the offer is here, the idea is here, but you may be holding back. You maybe need to make a decision here. You guys could be getting into a heated discussion or argument concerning some type of commitment here, Aries. I hope no one is trying to rush you into commitment. Why do I get this all the time for you, Aries? Aries, listen, you have the Two of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is you needing to make a decision, but you're in the dark about some things. Some things you just refuse to see, refuse to acknowledge, a lack of information, block communication. So it's hard for you to make an informed decision in this position. But this is also a card of you being closed off, blocked off, not wanting to see, wanting to ignore, wanting to turn a blind eye. So Aries, listen, you can tell me that you're indecisive here, okay? And maybe you just need to make a decision concerning it. Or Aries, you're kind of blocking here. Clarify the Two of Swords for Aries. Clarify the Two of Swords for Aries. Clarify the Two of Swords for Aries. It is clarified with the Hermit. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but right now you're taking some time out to be alone, to do some soul searching, introspection, searching your inner man for wisdom and guidance, going within, looking for answers. Aries could be dealing with a Virgo, but listen, you can tell me that you're indecisive here. You're doing some heavy duty soul searching. You can tell me you're blocking because maybe you went on a solo search. You may be blocking because you just want some time to be alone here, Aries. Clarify the Hermit for Aries. Clarify the Hermit for Aries. Clarify the Hermit for Aries. It is clarified with the Six of Wands. Aries, Leo, or Sag. This is getting attention, getting recognition, rising above the crowd, getting the accolades, the pats on the back, being triumphant, getting the victory and success. But this can also speak to something being brought to your attention, or you're beginning to recognize something, or you're getting attention and recognition. So Aries, listen, you know, something could have been brought to your attention. Yeah, you did a lot of heavy duty soul searching concern. It could be dealing with a Virgo and you decided to block communication here. Okay, block this person out. But Aries, when we're dealing with the Six of Wands, this can be an announcement concerning some type of commitment. I don't know, is someone trying to rush you into it? The idea is here, but you're kind of closed off or holding back. You need to make a decision. You may be indecisive about making this announcement here, Aries. You might not be going along with something that someone may be trying to rush you into, Aries. Aries, you have the Chariot. Talk about rush. Could be dealing with a Cancer, but you're determined to move forward confidently, victoriously, successfully ahead. Now, this can speak to travel. This can speak to relocating cities, states, countries. This can speak to moving from one residence to another, or simply moving forward and leaving things behind. But you're determined to move forward confidently. So Aries, you could be dealing with a Cancer, but you're wanting to make some type of move here. Clarify the Chariot for Aries. Clarify the Chariot for Aries. Clarify the Chariot for Aries. It is clarified with the Two of Wands. Aries, Leo, or Sag, this is you being at a crossroads, needing to pick a path between two. Should I, shouldn't I, will I, won't I don't know, Aries. You have to make a decision. You have to pick a path, okay? You have to make some type of move, but is it yay or nay? I feel like someone is trying to rush you into commitment, Aries. This is not the first reading recently that I had for you concerning that. I feel like someone is trying to, I don't know. The word is bully you into some type of commitment or something, Aries. And what I mean by commitment, listen, that can be moving in together. That can be getting married. That can be put me on your service plan, your phone plan or something. I don't know. Well, help me get this such and such thing. I don't know. Let's run our credits together. I don't know. Whatever commitment is to you, okay? I feel like someone is kind of trying to force you into it, and you're needing to decide here, okay? You're wanting to think about it. You're indecisive, needing to decide. Aries, this is your behind the scenes reading for March 2021. You guys give me feedback, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.